Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will be covering 1.4 distances between 2 points in the 2D plane. So in this video we will be covering this very nice topic, and this is a very easy topic if you will understand the formula, its derivation, and basically in this video we will be covering why this formula was made and how we can see if it is used or not and where it is used. So basically it tells us about a distance formula. This is a triangle. We have to find the sides of this point. We have to find the lengths of AD, AM, MD. So to determine them, we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, we can take this as our one arm, and this is another. This will be 2 units, and this will be 3 plus 2, 5 units. This is 5 and this is 2 units. This takes a very lot of time, but we can solve it very easily through a very nice formula that we are being given, that is under root bracket x2 minus x1. This is x2, this is x1 square plus y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1. Okay, this square, we have to add them both and take out the under root. So to do this, it is very easy, and to find the derivation I have made this video, and I will explain how this was derivated. Okay, so our formula is, the formula is this, and square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, firstly, let us see the derivation of this. To derogate this formula, we have to simply see some points. This is point A, this is point B. Coordinates of point A are 4, 5, and coordinates of B are 6, 9. Okay, we will take them in minus. Okay, so we have to determine the distance between these. Firstly, we will determine this. Okay, and to use Pythagoras theorem, we will determine this. Okay, so this is x1, this is x2. To determine this, we will take this as x2 minus x1. Yes or no? We will take this as our coordinates, x2 minus x1. Okay, this will be taken as y2 minus y1, because we will minus this and this. Okay, then to use the Pythagoras theorem to determine this, we have to take out these both square, plus them, and take out the under root. So the same is happening in there. We are taking these, and this is A, this, let's take this as O. Okay, this is AO square plus OB square under root. Okay, this will result us in, because the value of AO will be determined by subtraction of both x-axis points, which results us in this. So that's how the formula was derived, and this is a very easy derivation. You can remember it very easily if you have understood it. So with this, I want to end my video, because in the next video we will be covering this end of chapter exercises that combines all our knowledge into this simple 16 question chapter. So along with this, I want to end my video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel if you have got even a little bit to learn. Thank you.